Welcome back to Marathon Arena Adventures. I'm Admin 1 of NEFX, and today we are on the level for the map Flick to Pit, Hulk Pit 2 version 1.0, I think, by DanSkiMan. I see the title seems to pour a bit off of the Windows screen there, so I can't read all of it technically, but I think it's version 1.0. So this is the second DanSkiMan level we've done so far. Let's see how it goes. Alright, starting off underwater. So far looks like a similar feeling to the last level, but now I can already see it's shaped differently. I'm going to take advantage while I can of enemies underwater but don't know how to swim. Although this one's making it a bit harder by keeping as close to me as possible, as though they were somehow melee. Okay. Can't get up. Alright, this one down. A lot of shotgunners, or excuse me, rocket launcher guys around here. Oh shit. At least I get to spawn elsewhere aside from just the pool. What? How did I not kill that one? Alright, let's see what's up here. Okay, it's another vantage point basically. Were there no shotguns around here? Because I see shotgun shells, but no shotguns or shotgunners. So that's bizarre. Guess that is indeed 1.0. Alright, what's around here? Just an advantage point. Oh, here's the shotguns. I died at the very top. Now it's gone. Alright, killed two orange guys there. That was kind of fun actually. And another. Alright, there's another shotgun. See if I can use this one. Oh fuck. Doing pretty well with the assault rifle anyway. But I haven't seen a single shotgun around here. It's another one of those weird mysteries about some of these older maps. They have those sorts of glitches about them, where they're inconsistent about which enemies they'll allow relative to what supplies are allowed. Alright, 3 points, 3 minutes. But yeah, like I've seen levels where there are no supplies present, but every type of enemy present, even when I have that turned off in the script for bot match. Anyway, that's it for today. Next time on Marathon Arena Adventures, we will continue on with more DanSkiMan levels. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.